Do you know where the aliens are? In 1950, the famous scientist Fermi in the 20th century posed an unsolvable question: where are they? This is the well-known Fermi paradox. To understand the Fermi paradox, you need to understand the Fermi people. Fermi is a famous Italian-American physicist and the father of neutron physics. He published lectures on thermodynamics. In 1938, Fermi won the Nobel Prize in Physics. He designed and built the first controllable nuclear reactor of mankind. He is known as the father of the atomic bomb. Not only that, 6 of his students have won the Nobel Prize successively, including the well-known Li Xingdao and Yang Zening as his students. It is no exaggeration to say that Fermi is one of the few scientists in the 20th century who can be as famous as Einstein. Then why does the question he raised become a paradox? Paradox means that the conclusions derived are self-contradictory according to the generally accepted method of logical reasoning. For example, use the sharpest spear in the world to pierce the strongest shield in the world, a contradiction. For example, can human beings go back and kill their grandfather paradox? For example, if all the wooden planks on a ship are replaced, it is still not the previous ship, the ship of Theseus. Fermi likes to use more general estimation methods to calculate and answer some complicated questions. First of all, Fermi believes that, in terms of probability, alien civilizations exist. Why? We know that the observable universe is about 93 billion light-years in diameter and contains hundreds of billions of galaxies like the Milky Way. There are 100 to 400 billion Sun-like star systems in the Milky Way, and each star system has several planets orbiting the star. Then we can assume that even if it is only 1 in 100,000 possible, there are as many as 10 to the 14th power, planets in the universe that can give birth to extraterrestrial civilization, that is, hundreds of billions. In theory, even if we take the lowest value, there are millions of billions of planets in the observable universe that should have alien civilizations. In this way, there are at least thousands of planets in the Milky Way, and alien civilizations have already been born. According to the Drake equation, Green Bank formula, deduced by Drake, a scientist at the U.S. Green Bank Observatory, the number of extraterrestrial civilizations is far more than we estimated. Since the Berlin Olympics were broadcast in 1936, human radio signals have reached space. Since then, the signals sent by humans have increased day by day for nearly 100 years, and have been propagating outward at the speed of light, which means that these signals have reached a place nearly 100 light-years away from the Earth. What is this concept? The radius of the solar system is 1 light-year. Even Voyager 1, which has been flying for more than 40 years, has still not been able to fly out of the solar system, but the electromagnetic signals sent by humans have already rushed out of the solar system and spread in the depths of the universe. There are so many planets with possible alien civilizations, and human signals have spread so far. According to common sense, we should have discovered other alien civilizations long ago, or in other words, the Earth should have been discovered by other alien civilizations a long time ago. NS. But the fact is that mankind has not been able to detect any definite evidence of the existence of alien civilizations so far, and even the slightest clue has not been found. It should be there but not found. This is the Fermi paradox. Since Fermi raised this question, dozens of scientists have put forward more than 100 hypotheses to try to answer the mystery of the problem, including hypotheses about the rarity of the Earth, the Big Filter, the law of the dark forest, and so on. So why human beings can't find an alien civilization, or whether an alien civilization really exists, I will talk about it in the next issue.